motor seduce. So I'm getting straight to the business today. Got one on already, but I'm swapping from the 225s to the 275. I'm throwing on my SRTA rim. I'm gonna put this down for a second. I got one on in the front, but I'm trying to move as quick as I can because I don't really trust these jacks, you know. I don't have no other ones with me right now. My brother, he has his little, he's working on his car, so he just swapped his Crown Vic motor into his Ford GT. Got all the jacks and stands. So I'm out here working with these. Gotta get it done though. She on there. I'm probably not gonna take my lowering springs off. I might invest in some coilovers down the line. That's not what my focus is at right now. Giving away, but I already had ribs on, and I had too much to be worried about those springs. As much as I would like to keep them, I have too much going on to go back and take them off. So for right now, we're getting the rims. Putting them on. I'm gonna have to clean them up. See my dirty fingers? All right here. That's dirt too. It look like rust, but it's dirt. Almost got the cylinder heads off the Chrysler 300. My hand's all in the way. Almost got them off, so I might just take the cylinder heads off and put some stock ones on from one of these cars. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna see. I get to that. I don't have an extension either, so he got most of the tools too. So I got them loose on one side of each cylinder head. I just can't get in the bottom part because I don't have the extension. And you know, those heads are torqued. Oh, those heads are torqued a lot. So you know, as soon as I start trying to break them things, I'm gonna be clipping my hands on everything. My hands gonna be bloodier than ever. So I'm not even gonna mess with that. Right now, that is. I got a couple people, as I was saying, I got a couple people coming out to see the 300 today. I might just get my headers. Well, I need my converter too. If I sell it as is, guys, I'm just gonna rebuy the parts. But regardless, I still want my headers and my mid pipes. I give him the stock SRT8. Well, if you buy it like that, I want my cat back and my mid pipes. I have a stock set, and I just buy some more headers, some more SRT8 headers. I ain't gonna worry about it. But I'm gonna get over there and show y'all under the hood of the car. So as you can see, lowering springs in the back. I'm gonna show y'all what I've done so far under the hood. If this tire stay. So far, this is what I have gotten. I don't really want to get out of the car. Right now, that is. Like, these just rattled this stuff right out. Yep. So whoever welded these on, when I bought these headers, somebody tried to weld them on right there. I don't know. I'll probably just drill a hole in them and then put screws. But nah. Screw them down, that is. But I'm gonna keep them. Then I just had to unloosen them on the other side. So basically, this side is free. Let me see. Well, I just gotta get one screw out on this side, and then the 2 screws on that side, and we good. I just pull the heads off, get my cat back. If you can see down there, get my cat back. Get all the stock parts, and that'll be about it. If somebody want, I'm already breaking the engine open, so I'm just gonna take the camera. But if somebody do come and they want to take the car like that, you know how it is. You can have it. We can have it. So, I just wanted to let y'all in on a little bit of the tear down process. My tint kind of light on it. I want to take my windows, but I won't die. I took the things off. I don't know what you call this, like Velcro or whatever. I took the window bars off. But yeah, I wish I could just take the windows. It is what it is. I get some ceramic, cause I kind of want to get some ceramic tint. I want to get a windshield tint like 50%. I just snatched that tint off of there and then go darker, like 20% tint. Well, I don't know what percent this is, but that's like 35. I want to go like 20 ceramic at 50% windshield. That's gonna be about it for the. Get back to y'all in the next one. Peace. We're gonna give a quick start up of the gray one. You know, last time. Well, I just want to listen to the engine for a second. That's all. So I'm just gonna conclude this to the video. You know, y'all already know, nice antifreeze, everything. The guy was saying something with the cylinder wall. I don't see anything on either side. You know, just a little bit of condensation, but everything's good on this block. I just don't know why it continues to do what it does. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I gotta head to work. I'm probably gonna be late.